Hey there, I was sent over this Grommet Tool Kit, so let's take a look at the parts and see real quick how it works. This is the tool itself. On the bottom it does have this little latch that keeps it in place, so when I'm not using it, it's not all stretched out like this. You can latch it and store it. The handle's ergonomic, so you have a place to put your finger till you can get the most comfortable grip. It comes with an eyelet setter. This part helps you set the hole in your fabric or paperboard, whatever you're using it on. You would take a hammer or something like that and tap the top of it. It comes with these, which is what I use to make my eyelet hole with. What I did is I took my pad, I put it down. I've got a piece of paperboard on here. Then I just put it in, and for this I just twisted it till I could get a hole punched out. You're gonna get 3 of those. You're also gonna get 600 grommets. So you're gonna get 300 of the silver, 300 of the gold, and then of course their corresponding other half. Let me show you real quick how easy this is to use. This is how it works. I'm gonna take the flatter piece of the grommet and I'm gonna put it here so the sharper piece is facing up. And this is magnetic, so it's not gonna fall out, it's gonna stay put. Next, I'm gonna take this piece and I'm gonna insert it in the top. Then I can take this, I'm gonna put that over there to line it up. Now I've got it pushed together, and then the ergonomic part's gonna help me. And I just push it together. When I release it, it's all stuck together. There's one that I just did for itself, just to get a better look at it. So it bends it up over it, and now it's nice and secure on there. If you're looking for a Grommet Tool Kit that has accessories to get you started right off the bat, I hope this is a good product for you.